Hey everyone, good morning. Katatapos ko lang mag-workout and I decided to film this recipe guys kasi ito yung aking preparation para sa aking breakfast. Naisipan kong i-film ito and i-share sa inyo yung aking recipe and the ingredients also. I have here all the ingredients pero kung meron pa kayong pwedeng i-add na mga ingredients dito, you can add more. Since I don't have more available na mga ingredients guys, like chia seeds that I supposed to add every time na gagawa ako nito pero wala ako, and I'm looking this chia seeds sa supermarket kahapon pero wala akong makita, so ito na lang muna ang aking gagawin. Although meron naman akong sesame seeds dito na lagi kong ina-add sa aking mga recipe, okay? So this is a very simple recipe and the ingredients is simple, so you can make this anytime as you want. So I have here all the ingredients guys, like olive oil, and then I'm using this lactose-free milk, and then I have cinnamon, and of course our Quaker oats, and I have here the sesame seeds always, and then I have here also banana and 2 eggs. Pero guys, sasabihin ko sa inyo na hindi ito yung aking everyday breakfast meal. Okay, so paiba-iba ako everyday guys ng aking kinakain. Since this one is quick and easy, healthy breakfast recipe, so sinishare ko sa inyo itong aking recipe. So, mag-start na tayo. And I have here the empty jar because we are going to cook this one in a microwave. And I have here also these things para sa ating mixing. And now we will start with the eggs. Okay, so ito yung ating unahin. And then we are going to add this Quaker oats. Unahin natin yung ating mga dry na recipe. 2 spoon lang yung aking i-add dito. Okay. I-close natin. And then, let's add the banana. Ang dali lang ng recipe nito guys. Super daling gawin. Pwede nyo rin siyang gawin kung wala kayong microwave. So, lutuin nyo na lang siya sa sa flame. Parang ang labas nito pancake kung gusto nyo. So, i-cut lang natin siya. Small pieces yung ating banana, like this. Mas madali kung gagawin kung ganito. Okay, now I'm done with this, and then we are going to add also our sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon lang siya, and then let's add our cinnamon. Estimated lang guys, like this. Hindi naman masyadong marami kasi baka pumait. And then we are going to add our milk. I add 4 tablespoons of this milk guys, and then we're going to add here our olive oil. 1 tablespoon lang. Then start to mix it like this. Kung wala kayong microwave, so i-mash nyo yung banana nyo guys para mas madaling lutuin sa flame. Sa flame. Now, transfer tayo sa microwave. Mga siguro 3 minutes or 5 minutes natin siyang i-microwave guys. Okay? So, transfer tayo doon. So, iset ko lang yung aking microwave sa 0 guys. Kunin natin ito. And then, pasok natin yung ating lulutuin dito. And then, let's try to set first 1 minute. So, i-mix lang natin siya ulit para pantay yung ating ingredients dito guys. Then, let's try to set this in 3 minutes. Kung na-observe nyo na hindi ako naglagay ng sugar kasi matamis na naman yung ating banana, but I'm going to add more dates here guys para mas kunting meron siyang lasa. Pero malasa na ang banana guys actually. Gusto ko siyang lagyan lang ng ganito. Para pang toppings lang. Okay, so and masarap din pag may i-add na. You can add this actually honey, whatever you like. Okay, so ako I prefer to add yung dates. Okay, so this is our recipe for my breakfast guys. As you could see, very healthy and yummy actually. Okay, so sa mga gustong ng healthy foods, healthy lifestyle, so you can try this one. A very healthy recipe as you could see guys. Really, really healthy. Now, i-try natin. Yung dates na nilagay ko dito is actually adding more sweetness, pero hindi siya ganun katamis, okay? I hope you learned healthy breakfast recipe from me guys, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that bell for your notification. I really appreciate. Thank you so much and see you on my next one. Bye bye. God bless us all.